Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her. Knocked me over 10 feet forward. Never knew I could sleep alone good, I've never been better. You're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Remember when you tried putting up a fight? Bet you feel stupid. Tried to make a scene, didn't change a thing. Damn it, you blew it. And you're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have not done a monthly reset. I think for this year, I'm not sure, like I can't even remember, but I know I always wanted to do one, so I thought literally October, fall is my favorite time of year. So I thought what better time to do an October reset with me. These are my favorite types of videos to watch, and honestly, I love filming videos like this because this is something that I genuinely do in my real life. So I said, why not? Let me share it with you guys online. So I have my pumpkin milk right here in my pretty pumpkin glass. You guys, I did a recipe on this recently, so you can go ahead and check it out, but it tastes absolutely heavenly. Like, oh my god, it's like the perfect comforting fall milk if you don't drink coffee. And I know that might be so shocking to some people, but I don't. So this is like my perfect cup of tea for fall. So many things have happened in the last month, so let us do a September recap. So to do my monthly resets, I have my favorite planner, which is the Everyday Planner. You can get it on Amazon. I will have it linked down below. So at the beginning of each month, let me show you guys, there is a monthly overview and a monthly bucket list. This is how I plan for my upcoming month. So you have a really nice quote. So I had a quote across here that says daily affirmations, and then next to that I had my monthly bucket list with my goals and things that I was celebrating. So for instance, on my bucket list, something that I wanted to do was a sip and paint class, which I ended up doing, and it was so fabulous. I did this beautiful wildflower painting. I also wanted to make udon soup because I'm such a Japanese cuisine gal, and I actually did learn to make udon soup, so I'm checking that off of my list. I did want to have some pumpkin mugs in my shop, and I do. These are the pumpkin mugs that are available at my shop, and I wanted to watch the Vampire Diaries, like finish watching it, and I did finish watching it, you guys, and I cried like a baby at the end of it because it just took me out. So I also celebrated two of my friends' birthday, and then for some goals that I had, I wanted to, no, Lola, oh my goodness. So some goals that I wanted to do was to have these sip and paint sessions in my store, which I did, and I wanted to start prepping for my new planner collection, which I also did, and I wanted to work on my fall event. So you guys, I am hosting a very big fall market, which I'm so excited for. It's going to have a lot of like fun pumpkin themed things, and just oh, it's going to be so good. I cannot wait. So those were some things in September. Also in September, I did win an award, you guys. I won Influencer of the Year. I have just been so excited about it because I have been blogging since 2012. It has been 11 years now, and a lot of international brands work with me before anybody in my own country did. So this award is just honestly so validating for myself. Some of you guys have watched me grow up on YouTube, so let me put in that clip because I'm so freaking excited about it, and honestly I'm so proud of myself.
The award goes to the super content creator, Roxy James.
I believe that I represent youth excellence in social media influencing because my platform goes so much deeper than just likes or followers. I truly created a space that fosters community and empowers other local female entrepreneurs, and created this environment where I use my platform to create all of these events and markets and lifestyle opportunities that other people would not normally have. So I would say that my platform is so much more than myself. Okay, so that was that clip. So that was something that I had in my planner as a core memory because it really was. Okay, I wanted to also share with you guys some books that I picked up that I plan on reading in October. Not everything all at once, but during this fall season. So here is an entire stack of those books. Sophie Kinsella is one of my favorite authors, so I have a ton of books that I did not read from her. So these are like thrifted books, honestly. So I got my Not So Perfect Life. Like, her writing is so hilarious. I fell in love with her from the Confession of a Shopaholic series. Those were so freaking good, and she is writing these under the name of Madeline Wickham. So this is the next book that I got, and it says Sleeping Arrangements. Then I have The Wedding Girl, again by Sophie Kinsella, writing as Madeline Wickham. This one is A Desirable Residence, Surprise Me, which I'm really excited about. It looks like a big juicy book. And then the first book that I'm going to start reading is this one because it looks like a kind of magical-ish book. And this one is called The Invisible Life of Addie. And I love the black, and I love just picturing myself having a really cozy night with a glass of wine or my pumpkin milk and just settling down cozy and reading this, because as much as I love Netflix, I really do miss reading, but I did not want to go and spend a ton of money on new books. I wanted to share with you some things that I picked up at MINISOO, which is this cute kawaii Japanese type store. I did not pick up anything that was too much fun, because I am just more about functionality right now in my space. I really needed a new hairbrush, so I picked this one up, and it has this pretty rose gold detailing. It might have some hair in it, you guys don't judge me, but this is how it looks. I needed some workout socks really badly, so this is 6 pairs of socks, and it comes in these pretty pastel colors. So we have green, purple, and baby blue. So this is so functional because you can never have enough socks, especially since your socks tend to walk away while it's getting washed. I finally got a lint roller, and this one has these like peaches on it, but this is obviously just the cover of it. But I needed a lint roller for so long now because my cats literally like furs always all over me. Picked up this 240 pack of cotton swabs. My cats are making a lot of noise right now, you guys, which I like for removing my makeup or just applying like toner and stuff like that. I have some makeup wipes that I found that these were working really good. I don't like to spend too much on makeup wipes, and these were relatively inexpensive, and they actually work really good, which I'm so happy about. Don't laugh, but I picked up this set of like a screwdriver set because I live alone. I don't have a boyfriend or anything, so anything that has to open up, I need to open it up myself, and I never have a screwdriver set, and this has 36 different tips to it, so this is so functional for me. Obviously I wish it was pink, but we're going with functionality here in life. And last up, I picked up these rollers. You guys, I've been trying to get into the rolling of my hair. This is something that I want to learn. Like I mentioned in my October reset, it's something that I really want to learn to do because I don't always like using heat on my hair, but we'll see how it goes.
Got me feeling like I can. Shyer than I can admit. Cover me in lilac. No, I like that. So nice, yeah. One look, give me butterflies. Lush, it's my favorite color.
Okay, so we are back. My pumpkin milk is finished. We're back from planning, and I wanted to share with you some of my October goals. You guys, honestly, I'm so excited to finally be able to share this planner with you. I've been keeping it a secret for months, but I finally get to share it, and in my monthly reset, which makes it even better because this is genuinely what I do every single month. So on my first page, you see it says focus on movement, breathing, nourishment, reading, and meditation. So that is the first page here which I really do love, because let me just say I've been falling off on my workout routines, on my eating habits, and I'm not just feeling my best self because I was just so busy in September. But now I'm so happy for this reminder to just focus on those things, and yeah, the movement and the nourishment. Reading as well, you guys saw my book haul, so I'm really excited about that. On this month's bucket list, the first thing, it starts off with something that you love, and I just want to really love and embrace the autumn and autumnal feelings and all things fall. I want to read The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue, create a workout routine, get back on my workouts and my evening walks especially. I did not do anything in the last 2 weeks. I want to eat more fruits. I have not been eating a lot of fruits at all. I want to make pumpkin pasta. I feel like if in September in my last videos that you guys saw, I did like the pumpkin milk and the pumpkin pancakes, but I want to do pumpkin pasta. I want to clean my studio room, which is this room, and my bathroom. I want to learn to use my hair rollers, so that's the other thing on my list here. I want to watch Harry Potter, but I also want to watch season 2 of Wednesday, but I'm not sure when that is coming out. I'm just seeing mixed things all over, so I'm not really sure. I want to go to the fall festival that I am planning myself for everyone to come to, and you guys, I just cannot wait. I'm actually hiring one of my friends who is a content creator to take content for me on that day, because I don't ever have content of myself, and I really want to show you guys it on YouTube and do a really cute fall festival vlog. And I want to be mindful in October. I feel like if I need to be less obsessive as well. I feel like in my monthly resets, I would definitely love to be going through my monthly bucket list so you guys can have an idea of my goals. And then the next month, I can kind of tell you what goals were checked off. And then of course I did my monthly spread, and as the month goes by, I would fill in everything. And then of course the daily spreads look like this. If you guys want me to do a full plan with me type video, definitely let me know so I can go through it with you guys in my new planner, which again is available on Amazon. You guys, I'm so happy. I just have to say it like a million times. So I hope that you enjoyed this October monthly reset. I hope you enjoyed the little MINISOO haul, the book haul that I picked up, as well as my little groceries and all of those things. I don't really have a structure on how to do my monthly resets. I'm just doing whatever like feels good to myself and right for me. So I hope that you guys enjoyed as much as I did, and I'm so finally happy to get into doing the monthly resets, which always seems so much fun and are one of my favorite types of videos to watch. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see a monthly reset every month, don't forget to also subscribe, because I have amazing content coming your way that I don't want you to miss out on. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.